basically we're a full-service visual effects company, so we deal with everything from commercials through to broadcast design, feature films. We vary clients through to Telstra through to Fox Studios, so it's totally varies.
Comms room is critical for what we do. Without that, everybody would have to go home. An hour or two of downtime and that would be a major problem for us. So running a high temperature in there is just not an option for us. When we started, maybe 8 or 9 years ago, we started as a very small company, just a few guys. So we had just a couple of servers running with a very basic air conditioner, and we moved from there and kept putting more and more kit into the room, and it started getting too hot, so we put more systems in there and more air conditioning until it turns out we had a major problem. So there was no planning in it, it was just needs must, and we kept putting stuff in until the opportunity to move into the new building came up, and then we had the opportunity to plan from the start and do it properly, which is what we did. So I always knew that I wanted to go for chilled water. Because of the building is heritage listing, there were a lot of bridges to be crossed. We were really restricted in how we could modify the building. We weren't really able to do very much to the existing infrastructure at all. We couldn't remove the woodwork, for example, any of the paint, so we could only add to it. So you'll find that around the chiller or inside the openings to outside the vents, it's got the original wooden window frames in there and things like that. So it was interesting project. Our chiller's just been fantastic. The thing is, I never go in there. The room's closed off all the time. I'm aware it's working. We'll get an alert if the temperature's too high, but I haven't had the alert yet.